So this is the Hutch, and I can get you this designed in Mozaik along with its multiprints G codes, so that you can cut these on your machine. You can see the back is divided into two parts. If you have a small machine that can handle small sheets, or if you have a big machine that can handle big size sheet, I can get you this single part back. The back has this graphics 20 fasteners, top has graphics 20 again. From front it's clean, the middle shelves are adjustable, and this bottom is a fixed panel. It's having graphics again, and you can place this Hutch on a desk if you want, and you can fasten this Hutch with the desk with these TJs which is given in the side panels. So if you like this, and you can get this designed in Mozaik, contact me. Links is given in the description. Thank you.